Namaskar. Whenever anyone who thinks of start losing weight, then the first thing he would do is to pay attention on his diet, because cravings are one of the major reasons for indulging in overeating. Especially frequent snacking becomes common with individuals who can't control their cravings. So today I am going to give you 3 recipes for tasty snack which will not only satisfy your taste but can also lead to weight loss over a period of time. First one is chaat made with chickpeas and sprouts. You need 1 cup boiled chickpeas, 1 cup mixed sprouts, moong and other lentils will do, 1 cucumber diced and 1 tomato diced, black salt, chaat masala for taste, roasted cumin powder, lemon for taste, fresh coriander leaves chopped. In a large bowl, mix all these ingredients and serve immediately. Chickpeas and sprouts are rich in protein and fiber, promoting a sense of fullness and preventing overall calorie intake. The fiber content aids digestion and maintains stable blood sugar level, and this would definitely cut unnecessary craving. Additionally, chaat is packed with essential vitamins and minerals. All this is from vegetables, providing a well-rounded nutritive dish. The use of lemon juice, chaat masala and black salt adds flavor without extra calories, making it a tasty and weight-conscious choice for those seeking a healthy and filling option. The next recipe is Dahi Chilla Chaat. You need 1 cup of besan or chickpea flour, 1 cup yogurt, half cup water, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half cup finely chopped vegetables like tomatoes, carrot, capsicum, and some salt. For chilla topping, take some yogurt, mint chutney, tamarind chutney, chaat masala, roasted cumin powder, and fresh chopped coriander leaves. In a bowl, combine all these ingredients. Whisk until you have a smooth batter. Heat a pan and spread a ladle full of batter to make a thin chilla. Cook on both sides until golden brown. Repeat the process to make more chilla and allow them to cool. To assemble Dahi Chilla Chaat, place a Dahi Chilla on a serving plate. Spread a layer of whisked dahi or yogurt on top of the chilla. Drizzle mint chutney or tamarind chutney on chilla over the yogurt. Sprinkle chaat masala and roasted cumin powder for flavor. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves. Repeat the process for the other chilla. Serve the Dahi Chilla Chaat immediately and enjoy this dish. This chickpea flour used in this chilla is a good source of protein and fiber, promoting satiating and reducing overall calorie consumption. Yogurt is probiotic in nature that supports a healthy digestive system and can aid in weight management. The balance of protein, fiber, and nutrient-rich ingredients makes this recipe a satisfying and weight-conscious dish. And our third tasty snack is Soybean Tikki. Take 1 cup soybean soaked and boiled, half cup spinach finely chopped, 1/4 cup grated carrot, 1 teaspoon ginger grated, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons besan for binding, 2 tablespoons oil for cooking. Prepare soybean by soaking them in water for 6 to 8 hours and then boil until they are soft. Drain excess water. Mash the boiled soybeans using a potato masher or food processor until a coarse mixture is obtained. In the large bowl, combine mashed soybean, besan, cumin powder, grated ginger, grated carrots, and chopped spinach. Mix well to form a dough-like consistency. Divide the mixture into small portions and shape them into round or oval tikki. Heat oil in a pan over medium flame. Place the tikkis on the pan and cook until both sides are golden brown. Serve hot with mint chutney or yogurt. Soybean, being a plant-based protein, contributes to muscle maintenance and boosts metabolism, aiding in weight management. Spinach is low in calorie but high in nutrients, adding vitamins and minerals without excess calorie. The use of besan gives a good texture and taste and also adds protein and fiber, supporting a balanced and satisfying meal for weight conscious personalities. Cooking with minimal oil ensures a lower calorie content, making these patties a nutritious and weight conscious choice. Including healthy snacks into your daily routine. It's not just about cutting calories, it's about nourishing your body with wholesome ingredients that supports your overall health. These snack recipes can also be used for your dinner. Apart from paying attention to your diet, you must include moderate exercise, sufficient relaxation, and make a sensible lifestyle choices if you want to lose weight and stay that way. Namaskar.